made it too. Look, this is Cool Obby Part 3 video. Since I did Part 2 in the morning. I don't want to touch these little turds. This is so slow. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, I'll jump off a freaking plane.
I'm going to read the video, so.
Yeah, I'm dropping off a plane. Yes. This is just another one like this.
And I'm going to part 3, so that part 1 got deleted because it was stuck on my Roblox page and I died.
Damn
it.
No! I don't like the turds. Don't make me touch the turds! Stupid spinny things.
No, I was just there.
Finally.
Yes.
Why do I have to jump in?
Keep on jumping at the wrong time and then I'm falling across turds.
Flynn, my level's worse than yours.
What level are you up to?
85.
Oh. No!
Which way am I meant to go? Oh, this way. It even has an arrow. Wait. I really meant to go down there. Come on. Easy.
I suck at this game.
I don't. No! Damn it.
I'm so sorry about part 2 yesterday because I had to go silent. My voice hurted. It was commentary. Literally, I've been doing commentary. But I had to do part because it was stuck about Roblox paying for the full video. Almost landed on a turd.
Oh.
This is Turd Swamp.
Flynn, don't worry. If I accidentally miss one simple jump, I'm in a lake of turds.
No.
Also, even worse, I got the spinning thing that hurts you. Come on, they really had to make this more difficult than what this is by adding turds onto it. No! I suck at this.
No, I got the timing wrong.
No. Phew.
I missed
Oh, stairs. Oh, I'm in a luxury palace.
No,
Time to rob it.
I'm usually good at that zigzaggy part. Oh, I missed that.
Alright, I'm on for 2 more minutes.
There you go, Marilla. Thanks. Meow.
Cow. What am I meant to do now?
I'm mentally insane.
At least it's not as bad as me. I have to jump on these things and then I don't know where I'm meant to go.
I only completed 2
Well,
levels.
pausing this till I find out where to go. Good news, I found out where to go. You needed to go on that. Didn't? Doorway. Bing bong bing bing. Bing bing bong. China. Bing bong bong.
Until we get to level 100.
Stairs. Bing bong bing bing. Oh. No. I spin.
Say, hey, guess what level I'm up to?
I don't know. What level?
Level 84. Kidding.
I'm gonna go for 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Oh, so close to the finish.
China.
My death count is probably a trillion by now.
Well, sadly, guys, it's the end of the video since I have nowhere else to do. Plus, it's almost 6 minutes and 30 seconds. So, if you like the video, like and subscribe. Bye.